Hello, today I'm going to explain you how you can use our volume bot for Solana AnoVol to create volume or trending on Dexscreener or any other sites where you will get some eyes if your volume increases. To find it, just search for at AnoVol bot. I put the link also in the description. And at the first time you normally have here a blue button. If not, you just type start and you will get your overview where you can see how many bots you have created so far, how many bots are active and so on, and your main wallet. This wallet, it's important, there are funds on it, Solana. So the volume bot obviously can create volume with it. Every buy and sell will be done with different wallets and so on, so it will look you have a lot of makers, but still your main wallet is paying for everything. For every Solana you send to your wallet, we will get 10% of it. It's our earnings. So like if you send 1 Solana, we get 0.1 Solana. But you also can earn money. Like if you're sharing your ref link, which you find here, and a friend is using it and he is filling up the wallet with 1 Solana, you earn 0.02 Solana. You get 2% of your friend's spends. If you want to check how much refs you have and so on, you can go to status and type it. You again will see your wallet and you will see how many Solana your refs spent so far and how many you earned. And as soon as you have at least 0.1 Solana, you are able to apply for withdrawal with /withdraw, and then within 24 hours you get your money to the wallet. Just follow the instructions. So you also can export your wallet details, so you get your private key from your wallet and then you can use it to import it in Phantom or whatever to have access to it. So once you have understood everything here and you want to create a bot, you can go to generate volume bot and then it will ask you for a name. I just do it like ACCEN because it's the English version of the tutorial. And now it's asking you for an address, so we give it the token address, and then he's asking you for how many wallets should buy at once, because there's always 1, 2, 3 buys and 1 sell. So in this case I'm going to say 2, so I will have 2 buys and 1 sell. Everything from a different wallet, of course. And now I can decide the time interval between the buys and sells. Like I want the bot to buy every 30 seconds to 45 seconds. So every cycle is be like a random time frame between 30 and 45 seconds, yes. And now I can give the soul amount range. In my case, I will say always buy between 0.03 and 0.005 because I have a contest running at the moment with 0.01, so it would be stupid to take it bigger and fake buys. So it always does a random amount between these two numbers and will use it to buy. We will see it. So and that's it. It's already done. Now you can go to list volume bots and you can see, here it is. This is my page 1 from the first bot I created for the German tutorial. And now I can go to the next one, and here's the English one. You can see you can have unlimited volume bots. You just create them for any token you want to, and then you can select and paginate between these bots to start them. It might be important to know that you have to need balance on your wallet, otherwise it doesn't work. So for example, I have 2 buys now, so I need to be sure I have buys. I have enough money on my wallet so these 2 buys can happen. Otherwise the bot of course can't buy if it has too less money on it. Okay, now we have the bot open here. We go click start volume, and now it will take a second, or let's say a bit, and then we will see 1 second. This is from before. Normally we should see a buy soon. So in the first cycle, it normally always just buys, as you can see here, because there is no tokens before that buy. From the next cycle on, it also will selling. You can see we have different bakers here, so it's always different wallets. And now we just need to wait around 30 to 45 seconds. And then the next round is starting. So you are completely flexible here because you can really set everything yourself, not like on other bots. Here you can say the time frame, time interval, you can say the buying amount, you can just set everything, which is really cool because it doesn't look botted. So now the next one should coming soon. Dexscreener is a bit slower fetching the stuff from the blockchain, but there it is. You can see now we also have a sell. So like we have 2 buys from different makers again, and one of this wallet is selling. So imagine you have 3 wallets set up before, then we would have three buys of different wallets and 1 sell of one of this wallet. So it always looks really nice. And now if we would go to the bot again here, you can just click end volume and it's done. So now there is no buy, sell, anything anymore. And if we go to start, you can see we still have 0.04, which was 0.05 before, and we also have some tokens. So if we would sell them, we would be already again at 0.05, I think. So the fees are very low too, and all you paid is the 10% we earned from your funding of the wallet, but that's all. And then you can use the bot as long as it's working. I hope it's clear. If not, you always can contact the support. We have an own support, and if someone is there, he will definitely help you quickly. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like, comment, subscribe, and see us next time. Bye bye.